Well, I just checked out of my hotel room. I'm just chilling here right now in the common area. I have a bus tonight at 7 p.m. to Krakow, Poland. It is currently 10:30 a.m., so I have about 8 hours to kill, if my math is right. Yeah. So today I say goodbye for real this time to Hamburg, Germany. I will go to that currywurst place that I love so much before I leave Hamburg, so. Good morning from Hamburg, Germany. I decided to leave my hotel. I'm gonna go try and find me something to eat, something different. I'm not gonna eat currywurst. I know I'm gonna have currywurst at like 5 p.m. So let's try to eat somewhere else so I'm not overly repetitive, even though I think I've long overdid that. Hello. I told you all I would get something different this time. I got a schnitzel with mushrooms and bacon, and I believe there's onions on it as well. Fries, salad. Schnitzel is a German food. I've only had it once before in Berlin 2 years ago. I wasn't too big of a fan of it, but let's try it here in Hamburg with mushrooms and bacon and all that good stuff on it. Looks good. Well, I'm sad that I'm about to have to say goodbye to this beautiful city of Hamburg, Germany. If you are from Hamburg, you have a wonderful city. Be proud. I will come back. If I ever plan another Euro trip, I will come back to Hamburg. Maybe not for concerts because you motherfuckers are way too tall. If you think you're short, go to a concert in Germany so you can feel even shorter. They are tall ass motherfuckers here in Germany. Well, I'm heading back to where my hotel was just to kill some time because it's just too cold to just walk around here. This was my hotel. Pretty good hotel. I paid about $30 a night, so, and I got a free night from hotels.com because when you stay 10 nights with hotels.com and they give you a night free, like the average of those 10 nights that you did stay, they give you that average, and then you can spend that like as a voucher on a free night. So that's what I did here. I did it like 3 times already this trip, so comes in handy. I probably saved about $80 doing that. I probably saved about $80 doing it like that, so it adds up. Well, I'm completely leaving my hostel now. I'm going to send these postcards off. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want a postcard. I send a few postcards out every city. Well, I'm gonna start doing that because I think it's pretty cool to do that. Hold on, I'm probably gonna get bombarded by this girl again. Not bombarded, but you know what I mean. Hello. Hi.
Come later.
Later? I'm leaving.
What?
I'm going to Poland.
Today?
Yes.
Oh,
Sorry.
this time.
Sorry.
Why?
Goodbye, Hamburg, Germany. Thank you for the German hospitality. I will be back one of these days. Goodbye.